Okay, well, in the last video I gave you a general idea of what we'll be doing programming in C. Well, we need to do that with a compiler, and this is our program of choice, DevC++. So go to the website, download, and install the latest versions, 4.9.9.2. Once you've gotten that installed, this is what your interface will look like. We will begin by simply creating a new source file. The project is a collection of files for a program with many components. So yeah, I have a source file prepared and ready. Generally you'll want to save the program. We can save our C programs as C++ files. That would not make any difference to this particular compiler because C is actually a subset of C++, which originated later with more object-oriented theory involved. So we can just arbitrarily select this and save it. Untitled 1.c. Okay, so generally what do we consider in developing a C program as we write the code? Well, there are two main components. There is the header and then there's the body. The header is composed of these elements, our libraries of header files, and we will always include these two particular headers. We may include others. The stdio header file is a standard library that gives us our basic input-output functions, such as I will show you the print function, and as I will also show you the scanf function. These will, but I'll show the other one later. I'll just give you a general outline here. And then this one we will also include the conio header library. This gives us a particular function that we will need in order to show to ourselves a program after it has been compiled. And I will demonstrate why that is exactly. And I will show you, in addition, how one creates a function according to the ANSI C specification. And we will always begin a program. You can include the int here or not. Int just specifies exactly the type of what main is. You will always begin. Every C program has a main function included. Okay, printf. This is what it will do. I will summon the butler function. I shall. The printf function is designed to print precisely what you type inside these quotation marks. Now this is an item that will tell the compiler to return to the next line. So the printf will type this up for you and then return to the next line. And it will do so precisely as you indicate. And close with a parenthesis, and always include at the end of a complete statement a semicolon. So we've done that, and butler will be called printf. Well, yes, I desire header files and cupcakes. Okay. This is the essence of what we want our program to do. Display a few statements, and let's say I do so. And now that we've done so, I've closed the main function. This is the main function. You'll always want to do so with braces. I've also told the compiler that we're going to have another function here. Well, I need to tell the compiler what do I define it as. This is how you do it. Print f you called sir. And close the brace, and that will conclude our program. okay, you can just compile and run, F9. Oh, did you see that? It flashed. Well, it flashed because it compiled and ran so quickly, thanks to our gigahertz speed processor. Did so quickly that we could not see it. And if we did so for a very short time. So to remedy that, for our very slow working brains and perceptual processes, we're going to include this function, getCharacter function. And that just says, okay, program, you should sit there and wait for us to give you something, and after that it will terminate. This particular function, getCharacter function, is defined in this header library, so that is why we will include this. Okay, so I've included that. How will it behave this time? Oh, a mistake. As you can see, the program did run, and it's sitting there waiting for us, but I made a mistake. This is important. Okay, so I'll just press enter, it'll close. Butler, what did I not do properly? Ah, it's right here. I forgot to type the \n. This is a lesson in importance and tactical awareness. So let's try that again. Yes, as we can see, it has been fixed. It will return. No running sentence, nonsense. So that's the general gist of this this particular tutorial. I have proceeded to go over our annoying and perhaps trite Hello World program. We want to focus more on content. You can go ahead and, if you want to do it in a sort of ritualistic way, you'll just delete all this stuff, delete this, and just type Hello World, and that gets you on your way to your programming career or whatever. And so that will conclude this particular tutorial. We understand now that every C program has a header. We will be using these two, and you can even define additional functions which have to be defined after the main function, which is always included in every C function, C program, with additional functions specified within the program. And in addition, so that the program will sit there and wait so that we can see what it has done, though that may not be the case later on, but in this case it has to be so. We've included a getCharacter function that will wait for us to input something so that we can actually see what the program has done. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.